This video is for the pump guys. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video you liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If not, it's okay. So now let me show 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is the content. Make sure on your homepage you have more than 1500 words, because Google love content. And also make sure your pictures as correct in the right way, and you have right keywords. Let's say the pictures is here. See, it says work 12, so it's better if here is gonna be will be like some keywords. So the second thing I want to talk about is the citation. If you go to Google, we're going to see this Google guaranteed ads, then normal ads that we used to see. But now in 2020, a lot of people have ad blockers, so it's 50-50. Some people can see, some not. And if you go here, we can see the map pack. So what is citation? It is essentially your business name, address, and the phone numbers listed in various directories all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, yellow pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services. Within there would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on these maps here, you need to make sure that you're looking at your competition directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in, and you want to try go out and get yourself listed in there as well. But you don't want to just stop at whatever your competition has. You want to add a little bit more, so that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is backlinks. And so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And as we see, we can see the map here, Yelp here, we can see expertise here, and we can see their home advisors. So these are a lot of big national companies that are taking up the top of the page. The way backlinks work, all it means is that their website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. So if you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link, you did some work for them and you did a good job and they send you a link, but their whole websites, it's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff. It's not gonna do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's gonna be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of these tools I have here, is called Arefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. So you have here 8 referring domains that gives you 10 backlinks, and you getting found for 12 keywords, and out of those keywords you have 13 people on average on your site each month. Let's just see the competitors here. See, they have 826 referring domains. That brings them more than 4,200 backlinks, and which is getting them found for 7,800 keywords. And out of those keywords, they're getting more than 18,000 people on average on their site each month. So it's very doable to boost these numbers, and we specialize in this. And if you want to know more about it, give us a call. That's pretty much it what I had today, and I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give us a call and we can chat. If not, no worries, enjoy your free tips I've given today. If you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. And thanks again and have a great day.